Hey all, so welcome back and welcome again to my channel. If you're new and here, you're welcome. Today we are going to just, as usual, I just like to dive right into the video, and you guys already seen the video clip at the beginning and you already have an idea of what we are trying to make today. So this is my all-time favorite. This is the vegetable stew that I make. I use this in eating white rice. I use it in eating plantains. It can be boiled, it can be air fried, it can be anything, but this is as healthy as it can be. Okay, so you're going to be needing some red bell peppers, as many as you can get. That is okay. You're going to be needing some onions, and if you have some fresh garlic and ginger, that will be fine. If not, that is also okay. So we're going to go ahead and add that all up and put them in a blender, of course, and blend everything together. So now in this clear pan, I'm going to go ahead. I already have my vegetables, which is spinach, all cut up, and I'm going to just go ahead and add it here and cook them for about 15 minutes. So after cooking that, this is what it looks like. It's funny how you buy as many packs of vegetables as you want, and then after cooking it looks like you didn't even buy nothing. Like, you guys, I legit bought how many packs of vegetable, but anyways, it's all good. So we're just going to scoop that out, take them out of the pan, and get our pan ready for the next step. So now I am going to be adding my palm oil. Honestly, with my cooking, I barely measure anything, but for the sake of you guys, I would say this is about 3 tablespoons of palm oil. And I'm telling you, the ancestors told me, I know I'm right. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to pour in that mixture. I don't know if I'm the only one who just does not measure anything. I can literally eyeball anything and know it is enough. Okay, that's how good I cook. Okay, but yeah, of course, for the sake of you guys, I already know to put down everything in the description box, so don't worry, I'm going to be putting everything, all the details, in the description box, so it's easy for you. So now in that, as it's cooking, I'm adding in all my seasonings. I'm adding my chicken, I'm adding my curry, I'm adding just all the seasonings that I use in cooking this. Just adding, just to make it, flavorful. As you can see, because I did not use the fresh garlic, I added the regular ones. And we're just going to give that a very good mix. Ooh, look at that. Who would have thought? Like, you would never even know that there was no tomatoes in here. Like, it looks so good. I love it. I also added more paprika for the color. And we're just going to let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, this is my fish, my tilapia, is it tilapia or whatever? My fish and my shrimp. This is what I use in cooking this. I told you, it's as healthy as it can get. Okay, now we're going to leave that in there to cook and kind of like get done. And this is what it's looking like after. And then after this, we're going to just go ahead and add in your vegetables. You remember the vegetables you cooked beef earlier on? Yep, that's it, the one. That's the one. So you go ahead and add that in. after adding this in, we are going to give it a very good mix. When I say a very good mix, you just don't want a chunk of vegetable just packed in one side and your stew packed in one side. You want to give it a very good mix and make sure that everything is mixed, very mixed together. So I give that a very good mix and just cover it up to cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes, and that's just it. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section. I'm definitely going to answer all of it. If you have any requests, any meal recipe you want me to make, go ahead and leave that in the comment section, and I'm definitely going to do that for you, my loves. Yes, this is how it is looking. This is yummy, this is healthy, this is delicious. I don't even know what else to say, but this is nice. It was so good, and I still have some in my fridge, so it is just so good. And after just letting that cook, you can serve this up with your white rice. You can serve it up with anything else that you prefer, just your preference. And I hope I'll see you guys in the next one.